So we can see better in here, we'll go ahead and remove all of this plastic. So it gives a better. You don't have to remove this. You can get in here and fight it. I'm doing it to make it a little bit easier for people to see. You gotta be careful. Those 10 millimeters, if they hit the ground, they start running. Man. Oh, wait, there it is. Didn't get away this time. Usually those 10 millimeters, you'll never catch those suckers. Kind of makes you wonder if they might have wanted you to put a camera back there. Okay, now you can see your muffler in there. Factory muffler is going to be a little more restrictive, a little more quiet, a little more tame. The only problem is your factory muffler is also going to have a little less power. If you can get better air in and better air out, you have more power. I'm not sure we can get you in there, but right here, got to take this bolt out right here. There's another one on the opposite side. Okay, so you can see it here. We've got the same one on the other side. We'll be pulling those off. And then it's just some springs that are going to be right here. Pop those off. Once these are out and we pop those off, this muffler will slide out. We're going to have to pull it down this way a little bit and snake it out. May have to remove a tire to get out, but we'll find out once we get there. These bolts that hold it up here are 13 millimeter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them all the way out till it's just kind of hanging off of there, and then I'll pull the springs. Okay, so the bolt's loose. We'll do the same to the other side. It seems like this side is bent, so we're gonna have to go with a 1/2 inch drive to get a little bit more torque on it. Of course, I got 14 when I set it with that. Well, grab that 10 millimeter wrench off the ground.
Okay.
Those things keep running off. 10 millimeter is bad about that. Yeah, see, it's trying to get away from you too.
Ah, where do I put it? I need to put it in like.
In that drawer, the bottom, all the way at the back. See, that thing was trying to get away from you too. Okay, I'll grab a hold of these springs, pull them towards us. Got those two. Pull the bolt, pull this bolt. Reach in, grab the other two springs. Oh. Now.
Do I bring the muffler?
Yeah, you can bring the new muffler.
Can't I have the key?
It'd probably be easier if you didn't have one size too big of tires, like I do. Well, technically, one of my boys. It's okay. We'll take off the tires real quick.
And I realized there's like a big grasshopper.
Hold on. So we pick it up.
Do you need that shielding?
No. So.
That beefy thing to this thing?
So, got the muffler out. No, we're looking down way too far. Back it up just there. So we got this muffler out. This thing's gonna be restrictive. It's gonna build up a lot more heat. New one. Oh my gosh, it's so much smaller. So, yeah. It's gonna give you more room in there, more airflow. I mean, better. As you can see, a lot more room in there. We'll need different springs because of where this is welded on. It's welded a little farther back.
Everything.
Oh wow, those new springs are not easy to get on. Okay. Excuse me, you're in the way.
This thing's
The grease thing? Yeah, whenever you grease it and then go out and ride in the dirt, that's kind of what happens. Oh, that's pretty far back. Yeah, on the back of the toolbox.
You have to get this one. Huh, this grease fitting did not get dirty at all. Right there.
It probably didn't get a lot of grease if it didn't get real dirty.
Should we grease everything? Well, I know we should do the ocean to line probably. It's almost at 300. And you're supposed to change everything and do the ocean.
Wow, that is tough.
Just get brake cleaner. Mine's good though. There's a lot of room.
Yeah. Problem is that gasket's getting a little ate up. All this moving around. Maybe want to order a new gasket.
Are we gonna have to?
I think it would be best. The gasket's not going to be very good after this. It might hold up for a little longer. It's not.
Where do you get gas?
Huh?
Can we get it like really easily?
Yeah, we should be able to order it.
Before the trip?
I don't think we have to have it before trip. Wow. Tell me that's not a lot more room.
That's way more.
That's nuts. Okay, so we've got it set in there. We've used the pins or the springs pull back, and it's holding it tight on the flange there. The aluminum spacer goes on this side of the unit, the driver's side, and you tighten down your Allen on this side to the aluminum spacer, tighten down this bolt, and I'm not sure if my unit, I opened it and lost the bolt, or they didn't send me one, but it's not a big deal. I'll just put a nut on the end of that. I have plenty of nuts and bolts. I can throw something on there. And I put the spark arrestor in and put the tip upside down. Yeah, don't follow my exact ways of doing things.
I just realized this is gonna be loud.
Compressor?
Yes.
I'm not sure if that's the way to do it. We have a compressor with compressed air. And you'd use a longer piece and make sure you don't have, you're not too close where you get that stuff in your eye, bud. Okay, so tighten that up. Have to find a bolt for this. Have to turn that upside down. But I am way too impatient not to start it. Very easy. Got it done in 30 minutes or so. Really wasn't a big deal at all. Cool thing was I was able to lift it up in the air. Something I do wish, if I didn't put that bumper back on, or that plastic, I would wish they would center this in the middle. I think it would look so much cooler. What do you think, bud? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa, that sounds weird.
Okay. We may be low on fuel.
Yeah, probably.
Dude, that is, wow. And look how small it is compared to what came off.
Yeah. And that makes it.
It looks nice.
It looks small. That's probably because it has a lot of space.
Yeah, to fit that.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah.
A few things we have to do to wrap it up, but that's pretty much it on the RJWC Power Sports.
Muffler.
Muffler, yeah. Very cool. Very, very cool.
What does it sound like without the muffler?
Hey, the big. What do you think's gonna be the thumbnail?
Well, it's way different.
Did you get that ring that went flying?
Oh.
Oh no, you gotta find it.
We got a bunch.
No, we have 4.
Okay.
It's not a bunch. A bunch is like bananas.
One bunch of banana is like 5 bananas.
We only have 4 stickers.
Maybe even 6 bananas. That's bananas. Yeah, the spaces. Do I take off the this tire?
Yeah, go ahead. It'll probably be easier to do the clutch kits with the tires off.
Are we gonna do the clutch kit today?
I don't know if we're gonna do them today or not. All right.
Well,
Okay.
we have a lot of time. Well,
We gotta go to McAllen too.
oh, we do? That would be about 40 minutes to get there. And then another, like, 20 minutes to get back to.
And then whatever time we spend there, and
Yeah, probably take 2 hours. Yeah. Well, maybe less, like an hour and a half. Oh wait, that's silver. Yeah. It won't go down. It won't undo. Brian? Yeah. It won't move.
what do you think?